I need a little more of this guitar on the monitor. Yeah.
Social fragmentation, limited access to resources and governance, and hindered our overall development. This situation has rekindled our consciousness for a unified homeland as envisioned by our forerunners to preserve and promote our culture and traditions under one administrative unit. In light of this, there is an urgent need for an uplifting message of unity that would reinforce the feeling of belongingness and the idea of Zeliangrong as a shared space. Embedded in our history and the continuing practice is a remarkable tradition of solidarity. our pastors. Zeliangrong! 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 Ringkelo! 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 Thank you. Tuiho Yapu, Sri Wayne Goniak, Joint Resident Commissioner, Nagaland House in New Delhi, Government of Nagaland. Well-honored dignitaries, President, all Zeliangrong Students Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, President and esteemed colleague of Zeliangrong MIP Organization, Nagaland, Spooner representatives, Naga Students Union, Delhi, and my esteemed colleague of tribal units presidents and their team members, my esteemed executive members of Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your presence at this historic gathering. We highly value your time with us. We shall together make our history great today. The journey of Zeliangrong as a people has made historic achievements and fast-paced progress and advancement in all fields of learning. We have come this far through ups and downs. Many dark days and cloudy storms of divisive elements fell upon us on the way through. Our unity and oneness have many a times been shaken to the core. No matter how past, we have withstood the test of time and nature. We could stand tall and strong together today. It is the power of the spirit of brotherly love and love of our ancient family root. I am privileged to hold the post of President of the Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi as a successor of many good leaders before me, whose leading and making of Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi have guided and inspired us make this Zeliangrong Meet 2023 Delhi a reality, and we are here today. The Zeliangrong Meet 2023 Delhi is planned and envisioned to set a new height of progress, even compatible at the world class. Artificial intelligence have replaced much of human labors. Mankind attains the joy and pleasures that life on earth could offer. Zeliangrong community are not far behind the pace and path of the world progress. In the realm of science and technology, today we have the scientists.
Moving on to our next item, we will now have a time for presentation. So I invite ZCD General Secretary Adam Zime to take over the stage for the presentation.
Token of Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi's appreciation, we'd like to present our token of love to the dignitaries. I humbly request dignitaries to walk up to the podium in an order as I call your names out. Thank you. First we have C.R. Zeliang, Convener, Zeliangrong Statehood Working Committee. Followed by President AZSU, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland. I request the dignitaries to kindly walk up to the podium and receive your tokens. Next we have President and Secretary, Zeliangrong Ukui Organization, ZNO, Nagaland. Representatives from Zeliangrong Students Union, Nagaland. Followed by Spooner officials and its team. S.I. Lumpubo Abonmai from Spooner, SO2JICP Spooner and his team, Inspector Nauram Amarjit Singh, S.I. Eliab, S.I. Lukin Lord Kipgen. Kindly come up to the stage. Next we have Moses Karanamai, Chairman, Youngman Romney Delhi or any of its representatives, followed by Levi Thamai, Chairman, Rongmai Pond Delhi, RPD, NSUD and its tribal unit representatives, presidents or representatives kindly come up to the stage, followed by representatives from My Home India, followed by Mr. Azu, OSD to Deputy CM, Mr. Ken Lum, PRO to Deputy CM, Mr. Thomas, OSD Planning. Proceeding further, I'd further like to call upon the following dignitaries. Armstrong Farman, IAS, Gaishin Tui Gangmai, SOMEA, Tampui Duan Kamson, Thomas DR, Luikang Ngadahe, Kikon Bo Nemai, ex-MLA, Pastor Keller, ZCMD Pastor, Advocate Gaichang Ko Gangmai, kindly come up to the stage. Christian Heritage representatives, co-sponsor of the event, representatives of LF Collection, representatives of Capital Salon, representatives of Sing Sing Salon, Victor Gongmai, Jeremiah Pame, Jeremiah Kame, Ramo Kame, Dr. Kame Din Lung Bo Nemai, Ames. Kairi Din Bo Maranmai, GS of LKRD, Dr. Angela Gangmai, Ning Ning Nemai, SP Philip, SP Puken, Sunny Kame, Ching Rimai.
I request all the freshers to come up to the stage. For everyone who is here in Delhi for the first time, you are part of the freshers, so feel free. We'd like to acknowledge you. Therefore, please come to the stage to receive a small special gift from the ZSUD. We will still wait for you, the freshers. Please, we request you once again, please come up to the stage. The community here would like to see, witness you, the freshers.
If there's still anyone out there, freshers, please come up to the stage.
An information for the freshers, please continue to stand on the stage. An information for the freshers, please continue to stand on the stage. We'll be having speech on behalf of the freshers as well as the blessing prayer. So we request you to stay on the stage until the blessing prayer. A reminder for the freshers, please continue to stand on the stage until the blessing prayer.
Today is a beautiful day, and I've never seen this one before because today is the only day that Zeliangrong Student Union Delhi and the Zeliangrong Welfare Association is celebrating a glorious Zeliangrong Year 2023. Respected member of Zeliangrong student members, I began with a gratitude for all those present here
I, Zeliangrong, stand here on behalf of Fresher, who have recently joined this vibrant community. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to address you all at this mega meet of Zeliangrong Valley. First and foremost, I would love to begin by acknowledging the current GSED team and the member present here for providing a fresher like us a platform to voice our thoughts and concerns as we started working on our laws. Your commitment to fostering a sense of belonging and engagement to all students is truly commendable. And as a fresher, we find ourselves in a threshold of enrichment journey. We believe that the student union is a driving force behind many of these initiatives. And as a fresher, as we begin our journey, we are excited for the enriching journey that you have provided us. We believe and understand that the student union plays a crucial role in meeting our and shaping our potential and realizing our potential. As a fresher, we came with a fresh perspective and a wealth of ideas.
Pray for the freshers. And as I stand here, I want to also convey this to our freshers here. Many have come and gone. They have achieved their goals and dreams. But there are also many who came with so many dreams and plans, but could not succeed. Today, as I stand here seeking God's blessing, I, as a pastor, remind each and every one of you to find your own church first, and do stay connected with your own people and put God first in your life.
Bye.
Alumni Harang, if you're ready, please come up to the stage.
Each day I think I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one to taste the sweet. I've tasted pain. I rise and fall.
I wish I could sing like Dr. Alison, but unfortunately I'm not going to sing. I will only speak on behalf of all of us. Because he has taken only 5 minutes in his speech. So I was expecting that he will take 30 minutes. So that 30 minutes I'll add in my speech. Compared of his speech, Kumari Shirayu Indri and Sri Insim Tube Indri. Sri Nyangkyu Dimbo Marimai, President of Reverend Arun Pamai, Chairman of NSUD Advisory Board, Sri Albert N. Howe, Associate Pastor of Jimmy Church, Delhi, Reverend Digombo Nimai, Pastor of Manipur Christian Fellowship, Delhi, Kumari Saudule, particularly all Zeliangrong Student Union, Zeliangrong Body, Zeliangrong Union, my colleagues, Sri Pungsi, Honorable MLA, and Sri Toiho Yiptomi, MLA, my dear student friends and freshest students, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely happy to be in your midst, and I extend warmest greeting to all of you present here this afternoon. I take this privilege to congratulate for organizing this Zeliangrong meet under the theme Zeliangrong Solidarity, Strengthening Unity, Culture and Progress. We understand that Father of the Nation, late Mahatma Gandhi, was very keen to meet Hypo Jadona at one point of time, which was acknowledged by Hypo Jadona. However, such meeting could not take place, unfortunately, which perhaps was due to foreign interception. Let us recollect the words of Hypo Jadona, who was hanged to death on August 29, 1931 at 6 a.m. on the bank of Nambul River behind the Impal jail, where he left behind his last word to his people.
Talk of peace, be the guide of hand.
Guys all gathered here this evening. My name is Gail Pamay. For those of you who don't know, I am from a very small town, Dimapur, Nagaland. So glad to be here today. I will be doing some few originals for you guys. This first one is for all my Zeliangrong brothers and sisters. Here we go. Zeliangrong, my boy, allowกันสู่กันทางในลาไม่ดีไม่หวังตั้งเตรีน้ำไม่ความก้าวร้างกันนาใบบัวหน้าไงฉันดีโคทวนเนทวนเนRồi em nào mày buồn này là tâm khổ Zeliangrong mày buồn tiếng sáng sáng bring sáng mày sưu yêu mi hãy níu ra soi Zeliangrong mày buồn cần đi gặp bóng thuê khao Anu ramdai tatai kandu Ta vui vui quang tu sini Tình tim bao khổ irong mai quang Này la Trường giam mai khâu Này Thuần nê nâng ta hê ra quang Anh yêu ta Rồi hẹn lòng mày Này là ông khổ Zeliangrong mày bơi Tiếng sáng sáng Mình sẽ mày sư điệu Mi hãy níu ra rồi
God together, flock together for the word of success. This is a song.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kelly Chumai. It's going to be a big pressure for me performing on the same stage with the professionals, but I'll try my best. So I'll be performing 4 songs today, 2 English and 2 Liangwei. There was a time I could drink my cares away. Oh, now it hurt us. It hurt me now and then. Don't you sorrow to around me. To ngâm ngâm nắng mơ như một mưa lòng. Mỗi một bên chiều vì thế tôi dễ yêu. Quang hướng khai khẽ lung xa. Cắm sông đi ra xì ra tâm quê. Rong mai buổi say suy đê. Nắng buổi mong cái suy rong cắm thành mong cái suy để cho nắng lắng siêu. Chê mai buổi say suy đê.
Turn on your flashlight. Everyone, please. Sing it.
For a quick announcement. And right after that, we're going to have a bridal gown round organized by Christian Heritage Delhi.